snow has finally melted. Even though it's raining, I'm still finna go to the studio. We made it. For some of y'all that probably watched my last vlog, if you haven't, I'll link it below. Y'all probably know what this is. It is my iMac. Let's open it up.
Who ready? We ready. Who ready? We ready. Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Motivational youth only. Mentally feel like Kobe. I'm like Jokic with the rock. You physically couldn't hold me. I don't care if you pushing 40. You can never little bro me. Euro step like Ginobili. From young OG to the OG. From nosebleeds to floor seats. Circle stronger than Cuban links. My gold dance, your gold plated. You verse me, now that's a reach. We ready. Who ready?
All right, we got it all set up and everything. I have to download some apps I'm gonna put on here. I know I'm gonna put Final Cut on here, and I'm gonna put some Adobe apps on here as well. Also, I need a good, like, I need a chair. Like, I don't know if I should get like a computer chair, like, I mean, not a computer chair, you know, just like one of them little office chairs, or should I get like a gaming chair? If y'all know any chairs or any recommendations for some chairs, let me know in the comments. Cause the only thing I got in here right now is this little stool right here. That's all I got right here is to sit on, is a stool. I know another thing I wanna do, I wanna put like a pegboard up. I'm gonna put it on one of these walls in here. To answer y'all question, do this $1,300 tool encourage more vlogs? I'm gonna answer yes, because I did 2 videos in the month of January. If you go back and look at my other videos, you will see like big old gaps. This year, I'm trying to do more vlogs. I'm really gonna try to work really hard with this channel this year. So far, so good. This tool right here is definitely working. I know some people gonna have a lot of little different comments or whatever, but for me, it's working. So if this is your first time here and you like this content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell, cause I'm about to be dropping some videos. Like, I'm saying it on here cause I'm like, I need to speak it up. It's gonna come, it's happening. I'm dropping more videos. I got some ideas, and I'm about to edit this vlog right here on this computer. So that's another reason why I'm about to end this vlog. But yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button again, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Let's go make another vlog.